Hi boys and girls, I'm going to go over how to divide two-digit divisors with remainders. I'm going to go step by step, and please use this video if you're having trouble with your assignment. All right, so I'm going to show you how to divide 28 into 1,637. First, let's review the steps for long division. We divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And then we repeat. Every time we bring down a number, we have to start the process all over again. So if I look at my problem, I have 28. I first say, can 28 go into 16? No. So now I have to go to the next three numbers. How many times can 28 go into 163? Sometimes it's some guess and check. You leave some room off to the side, and that's where you're going to work out your multiplication problems. So I like to look at the first number and the first two numbers. So how many times can 2 go into 16? Well, 8. We know 8 times 2 is 16. But now if I multiply 8 times 8, I think I'm going to get something bigger than 16. So I'm going to try 7. So I'm going to come off to the side. I'm going to multiply 28 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry the 5. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Well, 196 is still bigger than 163, so I cannot do this. I'm going to try 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry the 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Just over, so I cannot do it. So pretty much 5 is going to then be my number. 8 times 5 is 40, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I put the 5 above the 3 because I divided into 163. I now multiply, which I got 140, and now I subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. I bring down the 7. So now I start the process all over again. How many times can 28 go into 237? Well, I know it has to be bigger than 5 because if 5 gives me 140, and this is kind of almost like doubling it, so I'm going to go with 7. I actually did over here. So I see that I have these. So I'm not going to go with 7 because obviously that's still too small. I'm going to go with 8. 28 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. I don't think I'm going to get a closer number if I use 9. So I'm going to go with 8. I multiply, which my answer is here, which is 224. I subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. I have no more numbers to bring down. I stop. This is my remainder. Remainder 13. If you guys are giving me answers with decimal points and a lot of numbers after, it means you're using a calculator. If I'm asking for answers with remainders, you have to solve it out this way. It takes a little time. It takes some effort, but I know you can do it. Please use this video if you are having trouble with the assignment.